Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect Google Photos from Gmail. So Google Photos and Gmail they use your the same Google account, so we cannot disconnect them from each other. And the only way to separate them is to use different accounts on your Gmail and your Google Photos. So open Google Photos, tap at the profile icon at the right top, and right here you can swap to another account, or you can add another account and use it. So right now I use this account for Google Photos, and now let's move to Gmail. And right here also we can select another account or create a new one. So just select another and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.